Rad Racing fam. I wanted to share the process of my boat build. I was in the market for a fast boat and Glenn Dilworth found this boat in Idaho. It was weathered and rotting away, so Amanda helped me get it home where the work began. A quick wash with the pressure washer showed just how bad it was. I was gifted an old 454 big block Chevy oval port, about 10-to-1 compression motor from an old jet boat that the Gregorys had, so thank you Jimmy. Dad and I made a few upgrades, and on Christmas Eve my motor was ready. Now it was time to rip into the boat. I decided to get rid of the carpet. We tried a heavy-duty chemical and it did not work. So we decided to try the pressure washer, and that method revealed and possibly caused some damage. There was delamination, so we decided to fix it the right way. Randall did so much dirty work sanding it all down. He cleaned up under the nose and built me a brand new bulkhead. So thank you, baby. He built me a one-of-a-kind turn fin with his kidney bean design and checkers, of course. He also came up with this idea to fill in the gaps down the center. Yeah?
We filled it with foam to create a structure for the glass to lay over, which in turn turns it into a piece of tubing. It's hollow in the center, but structurally sound. It actually really stiffened up the boat. It was really kind of cool to use Grandpa Dilworth's knives to cut the foam out. He made these knives out of saw blades. This one I believe he made when he was 93 years old, just before he passed away.
We patched, we glassed, we weighted, we sanded, and repeat. We decided on an epoxy resin so there was no smell and it was much stronger. I wanted the boat to be center steer, so we cut out the dash, and props to Randall for figuring it out, and it turned out super gorgeous. I decided on carbon fiber for strength. It's lightweight and it looks amazing. It was definitely difficult to work with. It was really hard to cut and it was pricey, but I am really happy with the end result. modified the trailer for the turn fin and did a bunch of repairs. While the boat was still on the dolly trailer, we spent 6 hours buffing it. The before and after are super crazy. Now it was time to start rigging the boat. These were the very first holes we drilled after doing all that work. Joe Dilworth machined me these custom full rails. They turned out really nice. We made our own motor mounts with cardboard CAD. It was all coming together finally. We were in a time crunch to be ready for the Burley, Idaho regatta. Chris, Randall, and Joe machined me a bunch of parts and worked super hard to get the boat done. I ran out of time and money to paint my trailer, so we used skateboard deck tape to hide the fenders. I designed all the graphics for the boat and got them installed. And it was finally time to fire her up. We made it to the race, and during testing we had low oil pressure and didn't want to hurt the motor, so we parked it all weekend. I drove Randall's boat and finished 3rd place. I had a blast. After the race weekend, we worked out the oil pressure issue and enjoyed the boat. Burley 2024 came and I was so ready to race my boat. Every time I raced, I got more and more comfortable in the seat, and I had the best time with the boys. Thank you to all that helped and supported me. I really appreciate you watching, and please hit that subscribe button.